Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check if drivers are up to date or not in Windows 11. It will be really simple and easy. So that's a really good idea to go and do this to make sure that you've got the most updated version available, as that's going to have all the latest fixes and things like that. So what you have to do is come to the bottom of your screen and click on search. Type in device manager like so, and we will go and open it up. Now you can go through here and see your different devices. In this case, I will check if my network adapters. So click on the arrow to the left, find the adapter and right click on it, and you can click on update driver and do an automatic search. In this case, the best drivers are already installed, so they are up to date. It's that simple. So you can repeat that process for others as well. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to check if drivers are up to date in Windows 11. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.